These indicators delivered insane results in the past couple of months. Without any delay, I will take you through the bolts and nuts of these magical indicators and the scalping strategy to apply them. Fire up any trading platform you use and head to the indicator tab. Before we load our first indicator, don't forget to subscribe because it helps out our team to continue producing free content on YouTube. Alright guys, first things first, after firing up our trading platform, we select the trading instrument we shall be trading. In this case, we shall select the Euro card and we change it to the 15 minutes time frame since we shall be scalping. Then the next step is to load our first indicator, which is called Lucky. So we load our first indicator, which is called Lucky. This is how it looks like. It's very easy to use, very simple to understand. If you see these pink zones, it means we shall be selling. If you see the blue zones, it means we shall be buying. Pink zones we shall be selling. So guys, the next step is to load our second indicator, which we call the relative strength index. Then we have to optimize the indicator. We shall go to parameters, then we change the period to 13, then we apply it to close, then we keep the style at red, then we go to levels. We shall only add one level, which is the 50 level, which is important here. So we add the 50 level, then we keep the color of the signal line white, then we place OK. So this is how our indicators will be looking like. This is the relative strength index, and this is the Lucky indicator. So guys, finally we are going to add one more indicator, which is the 34 simple moving average. We add it to the chart window, the second chart window. So let's do that. We add our moving average, we change the parameters to 34, then the method at simple, then the style at blue, then the levels we shall not add any levels, then we place OK. So this is how our charts will be looking like after adding all indicators. Very clean, very simple and easy to understand. Now the key question is, how do we scalp using these indicators, or which scalping strategy are we going to use to maximize these indicators? Very simple and it will almost seem effortless. We shall start with a buy trade. For us to take any buy trade, two conditions have to be met. The first condition is the signal line, which is the red line, must have crossed the 34 EMA, which is the blue line, when it's below the 50 level. That is the first condition. The second condition is the Lucky indicator must have drawn a blue zone by the time the signal line crossed the 34 EMA. That is the second condition. Let's look at our first example for a sell trade. We said our first condition is the signal line, which is the red line, must have crossed the 50 EMA when it's below the 50 level, which happened right here. Then the second condition is the Lucky indicator must have drawn a blue zone by the time the signal line was crossing the 34 EMA, which happened right here, meaning all our conditions have been met. Then we shall place our buy trade right here, then our stop loss below the low, then our take profit we target the 1 to 2. As you can see, price simply hit our take profit. So guys, let's look at a last example, which will be a sell trade. For us to take a sell trade, two conditions have to be met. The first condition is the signal line, which is the red line, must have crossed the blue line when it's above the 50 level, which happened right here. Then the second condition is the Lucky indicator must have drawn a pink zone by the time the signal line crosses the blue line, which happened right here. So if these two conditions have been met, we simply place our buy trade, our sell trade right here, then our stop loss above the high, then we target a 1 to 2. As you can see, prices simply hit our take profit. Guys, using these indicators for scalping, it's very easy to understand and very easy to master. So guys, go ahead to backtest, front test this strategy and see how powerful and helpful it can be in changing your trading game. As always, invest safe.